y'all, it's summertime. The summer is upon us, so we are going to be making some fudge, watermelon fudge. For this, we have some watermelon oil, flavoring oils. You have extract. It just takes more extract than it takes oil. Keep that in mind. It's about 3 tablespoons to 1. We have some red food coloring. We have some green food coloring. That's for looks. We have some white chocolate chips, sweetened condensed milk, and some butter. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below. Let's get to cooking. All right, y'all. So we're going to take 1 can of our sweetened condensed milk. And then we're going to take 3 cups of our white chocolate chips. Then we're going to take 4 tablespoons of our butter. Then we're going to take on a medium-low heat. We want to stir this regularly, and we're going to get this melted down. Now we're doing 2 batches because we're doing 2 layers. We're doing a red layer and we're doing a green layer. You can do whichever layer you want first. It's really not going to matter at the end of the day. Now I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of the watermelon oil that I have. Go ahead, get this mixed together. We can turn off that heat once everything is melted. Now I'm going to start with my red, and we're just going to go as red as we want. I'm using liquid gel dye. Once we have the redness we like, we're going to go ahead and go over to our counter. Alright, now I have a baking dish here, 9 by 13, or 9 by 11. I have my 9 by 11. We got our fudge. We're going to dump, and I put parchment paper in mine. It just helps with cleanup later. And then we're going to sit this to the side, and we need to let this set up for at least 4 hours or overnight, but we need it to set up. Alright, y'all, so now, same as before, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. We're going to take 4 tablespoons of butter. We're going to take 3 cups of white chocolate. Now again, on a medium heat, stirring regularly. Once we have this well melted together, we're going to take our green food coloring, and we're going to get it to the shade of green we like. It's up to you how green you want. Now, I tasted some of the fudge from our first layer. It's pretty watermelon-y, so we're going to go ahead and keep it at 2 tablespoons of our oil. But if you want a little more watermelon or a little less watermelon, you can go ahead, and this is a good place to adjust. Now we're going to go ahead and cut this heat off. And once we have a good mixture on that, we're going to go ahead and go over to our dish that we put the rest of the fudge in. Alright, y'all. So here's our dish. It's set up. We're going to go ahead and pour on the second layer. And now you want this to chill and completely set up overnight or until it is fully set. But I'd let it sit at least overnight. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all. It's the next day. It is set up. We'll go ahead and pull it from our pan, just like so. Peel the paper away. And then we're just going to take and cut this into the serving size that you want. Boom. Then we got this. Look at that. All you got to do is plate this up and serve it however you want. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.